Hi, what's up guys? It's Mishan Iqbal advisor here. Today in this video I will show you how you can remove the logo from your CV if you have a logo from the CV craft, and then you can remove it from the resume. So it's very simple. Someone asked me on my channel, her name is Pooja, so she asked me that you can remove this logo. So I said okay, fine, I will remove it for you. Then now I'm going to remove a logo from the PDF file, okay, whatever you have it. So just follow my instruction, and also you should have installed the Wondershare element software so you can remove the logo as well, or Adobe Acrobat XI, but that is very difficult, so you can get it from somewhere and get the full version, not the trial version. I will just go ahead and click this one, right? I'll click download, start download. Okay, she sent me on my email, so I will open it. Okay, now the Pooja resume is already open. Now the resume is open in the, she's from Kerala, right? And I love Kerala people, they are so great and also down to earth, what I just know. So here is it, and you have the resume on the Wondershare PDF element. This is the software which you have to install on your system, laptop or PC, whatever you have, but you must have this software, and also the full version, not the trial version. So in the trial version you cannot remove the logo. So go ahead and just kahin se bhi dhund lo. And then I'm not providing that full version. You can buy it from the Wondershare PDF element, or if you have already this software or Adobe Acrobat, but I must recommend this one. Why? Because this is very easy, fast. So that's it. And now I will click on. So guys, now I have the resume on my Wondershare PDF element software, and this software is the most important for removing the logo from your PDF file. So she sent me the PDF file, like her resume, and then she said, okay, can you remove the logo from this file? So I said okay, send me the file on my Gmail, then I will remove it for you. Now I'm gonna click here, edit, right? And then click on this one icon, edit text and image object. I'll click on it, and then click this one and press the delete button from your keyboard. Scroll down, no matter how many pages you have, just click on it, press the delete button, right? Now logo is removed from the PDF file. That is very simple, and you must have this software on your PC or laptop, but this software should be full version, not the trial version. So this is it guys, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other people, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos, because I'm gonna upload a lot of more videos in coming days. So hope you like it. Take care, bye bye, and peace. And if you have any file which you want me to remove for you, just send it on my Gmail address, then I will remove for you. All right, thank you.